Hello, good day, and welcome to this session on types of CRM. That is the first part. At the end of this session, you should be able to list and explain two types of customer relationship management, which includes the strategic customer relationship management and operational customer relationship management. So, to begin with, global market focus has shifted from organizations to customers because the customer is seen as king, and organizations have moved away from production driven to demand driven because the customer is key to the success of every organization. So, in considering the first type of CRM, which is strategic CRM, it puts the customers first, and it does so by collecting, segregating, and applying information about customers and market trends to come up with better value proposition for the customer. So with strategic CRM, the customer's voice is important for survival, which means that organizations that adopt this approach of CRM consider the perspective of the customer as being essential in their offerings. So they do not just wake up and begin to make or manufacture products to customers, but they consider customer needs and wants before making those products to meet those customer needs. So it is focused on development of a customer-centric business culture, which is dedicated to winning and keeping customers by creating and delivering value better than competitors. So the main goal of the organization is to deliver sustained above average or above competition level goods and services to customers so that customers are satisfied and are not likely to leave the organization's products for the competitors. So we look at some orientations of strategic CRM, one of which is product-oriented orientation. And mind you, in strategic CRM, the organization puts the customer first. So in a product-oriented CRM orientation, businesses believe that customers choose products with the best value, the best quality, performance, design, or features. So organizations consider in general what customers would want in terms of quality, in terms of performance, in terms of design or features. Then they make products available to meet those demands of customers. So they do not necessarily consider individual customer wants, but they consider general average customer needs and provide goods to meet those needs. An example is what Apple does. Apple assumes that customers prefer quality phones, a type of screen, a type of design in their phones. Hence, they manufacture their products to meet customer demands. And product-oriented orientation seems to miss the individual voices of customers but sees general customer voice in marketing decisions. Then we move to the production-oriented, where organizations focus on operational excellence and they hold that customers will favor products that are available and highly affordable. So this approach focuses on delivering low-cost products to customers while the organization achieves operational efficiencies. In essence, they do not necessarily offer quality to customers, but they offer low-cost products to customers because they want to achieve operational efficiencies. And this orientation is based on the fact that complexity, customization, and innovation are very costly and unappealing. Hence, they have to make products at a low cost and standardized format to customers at very cheap prices so that everybody can afford. And these orientations are rarely first to market with their best new offer because in essence they do not necessarily want to provide value to customers in terms of what customers want in their customized nature, but they provide boost to customers in terms of what they can produce economically and achieve production efficiencies. So we move on to the sales-oriented approach, which makes assumptions that if organizations invest in their advertising, selling, and public relations activities, organized and customers are likely to buy their product. And you can see that it typically follows a production-oriented approach because customers may not necessarily like what has been made by the organization. Hence, investments have to be made in pushing the products to the customers through intense advertising strategies and other sales promotion objectives. Then we have the customer or market oriented, and this is typical about a strategic CRM because it puts the customer first, and it does so by collecting, disseminating, and using customer and competitive information to deliver or develop better value propositions for customers. It adapts constantly to customer requirements and competitive conditions. Then the second type of CRM is the operational CRM, which is oriented towards the customer-centric business processes such as marketing, selling, and services. It includes Salesforce automation, marketing automation, and service automation. That is anything that is related to the organization's business processes as they focus on deliver value to the customers. So the operational CRM has three components. That's the Salesforce automation, marketing automation, and services automation. So Salesforce automation basically applies technology to managing an organization's selling activity. So using information systems or technology to assist in making goods available to suppliers or making goods available to customers, and it entails product configuration, which enhances the ability to design products and then decide on a product price for customers. So product configuration enables customers to put together or customize a product, and based on that customization, a price is arrived at for the product, and then customers can acquire that product. So the prices or goods are not available in standardized form, but enables customers to configure or structure or customize their own products, and then the price is determined after the customization has been done. So a typical example is you go to an ice cream shop, then the ingredients are there, then you want chocolate chips in your ice cream, you want Oreos, you want strawberries in your ice cream. So after everything has been put together, then the price is arrived at based on what you customize for your ice cream. Then we move on to quotation and proposal management. This also enables the sales people to generate a quotation of product prices and proposals after they have entered customer details into their system. Then we have account management, which manages inward entries, the credit and debit amounts for various transactions, and stores them as records. Then we have leads management. It enables users to qualify leads and assign them to appropriate salespersons. Then we have contact management. It enables the identification of customer contact details, salesperson's calendar, and automatic dialing numbers. Because all these information are stored in the form of computerized records and can be accessed as and when they are needed. Then we have opportunity management. So this enables the identification of prospects and then the management of those prospects till they have acquired a product from the organization, and then they can possibly provide referrals for other prospects to be invited to the organization. Then another component is marketing oriented or automation. Marketing automation applies technology to marketing processes. So the marketing mix activity is undertaken with the aid of information system or computerized systems, and campaign management modules allow marketers to use customer related data to develop, execute, and evaluate targeted communications and offers. So the marketing automation also involves market segmentations, campaign management, event-based marketing, and promotions. So the campaign segmentation for customer segmentation for campaigning purposes enables unique communications to be designed in the marketing or by the marketing persons. Then the campaign modules for marketing automation enable the marketing force to access customer related data, which would enable them to design, execute, and evaluate targeted offers and communications. Then we have the event-based marketing, which is about messaging and presenting offers at a particular time. So, for instance, a customer calls the customer care number and asks about the rate of interest for a credit card payment. Automatically, this triggered the CRM that the customer is comparing the interest rates of the organization with another competitor, and hence this can be seen as an opportunity for the marketing function to capitalize on that. Then we have service automation, which involves applying technology to customer service operations in delivering services to customers. How does technology facilitate this activity? So it involves service level management, involves resolving issues or cases and addressing inbound communication. So service automation helps companies to manage their service operations, whether it is delivered through a call center, contact center, a field service, the web, or face-to-face, and with high levels of efficiency, reliability, and effectiveness. So in this session, we have basically learned about two types of CRM, that is strategic CRM and operational CRM.